Speed picking. Speed picking, alternate picking, is one of the most essential techniques for modern, fluent but still aggressive metal guitar soloing. But we all know the following problems. We want to play fast, but our hand synchronization gets off, we are sounding sloppy, we are hitting a plateau and doesn't even getting faster at all with our right or our left hand. And as a solution for all of these problems, I created the Zen of Speed Picking. Hi, I'm Zen Hombach, professional guitar coach and metal musician, and in the Zen of Picking I want to share all the knowledge, all the experience that I gained after more than 15 years of loving the technique which is called speed picking. So in the past 15 years I sat down and practiced. And now comes the time to share this knowledge with you guys. Because a lot of my clients and students are coming to me with those problems, hand synchronization, hitting a plateau, getting any faster, want to build speed or stamina, want to be able to create some of the cool sounding modern picking lines. And all of that we're going to face in the Zen of Speed Picking. But what is inside the Zen of Speed Picking? Well, we have 17 chapters full of in-depth analysis of picking technique, two-way pick slanting, string skipping, how we are holding the pick, how is our motion from your right hand, and tons of licks and patterns that you can use as a blueprint, so no stupid grammatical exercises that you can never build up in a musical context. No, here we have licks with the awareness of scales and harmonies and all that stuff around it, and those you can take and put them in your next epic metal solo. But more to come. I'm going to upgrade the Zen of Picking monthly with new exercises and new ideas. Follow this link and you will find more about the Zen of Speed Picking. Now, what you waiting for? Get your ass off and let's start practicing. Boost your picking technique with the Zen of Speed Picking. Here we go. I'm Zen Hombach. I can't wait to see you in chapter number 1, so let's get started with the Zen of Speed Picking. Cheers and stay progress. Bye.